Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. And as usual, we'll bring you the best properties in Western Algarve. And today we are looking at this beauty behind me. A very unique and secluded property situated on a 4.5 hectare plot of land right next to Espiche Golf Course, which is upper Praia de Luz. So location is very secluded, very private and very special. So let's have a look-see. So welcome inside. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom property lacks for nothing. On the outside, we have manicure garden, we have an annex that could be a guest house, and in the far end, we have your own personal atelier. So in terms of technical part, this house is state-of-the-art, modern appliances haven. We have underfloor heating, we have air conditioning, we have surround sound, we have security, we have brand new kitchen, which is of course the favorite part, or my favorite part of the property. I mean, you name it, this property has it all. And we are done. Thank you so much for taking this tour with us. And I hope you liked it as much as I did. And as always, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And if you're a great fan of rural country living, right next to the golf course, in an amazing spacious mansion, this property is for you. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.